In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Smartart in Google Slides to make your presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Smartart, also known as diagrams, is a fantastic tool for visualizing information such as processes, hierarchies, and cycles. It can transform complex concepts into easily digestible visuals, helping your audience grasp your ideas quickly and clearly. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the particular slide where you want to add your SmartArt graphic. It's important to ensure that you're on the correct slide to integrate the visual content seamlessly into your presentation flow. Now, look towards the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to click on Insert, which is located there. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, select Diagram. Upon making this selection, a sidebar will emerge on the right side of your screen, showcasing various SmartArt categories like hierarchy, process, and cycle. Take a moment to browse the available categories. Each one is designed for specific types of information, so select the category that best aligns with the content you wish to illustrate. Once you've found the perfect category, click on a layout within it. This action will insert the chosen graphic directly onto your slide. With your SmartArt graphic now on the slide, it's time to add your own content. Click inside the text boxes within the diagram and begin typing, inputting all the necessary information. Keep in mind that the simplicity of the graphic enhances clarity, so avoid overcrowding it with excessive text. The goal is to make the information easily digestible, so being concise is key. Now, let's move on to formatting your SmartArt graphic. Use the toolbar to customize your text. You can change the font, size, color, and even the alignment of your text to make it resonate with your presentation's overall theme and style. This customization not only makes your slide aesthetically pleasing, but also ensures that your message is visually reinforced. When it comes to colors, select the diagram and use the Format menu to experiment with the color scheme. This can help emphasize certain elements of your presentation, grab attention, and aid memory retention. Consistency is crucial here. Try to match these colors with your presentation's palette for a cohesive look. Finally, you may want to adjust the layout of your SmartArt graphic according to your preference. By right-clicking on any shape, you have the option to add, remove, or alter the shapes. Furthermore, you can click and drag shapes to rearrange them, allowing for a customized layout that best represents your information flow. Incorporating SmartArt graphics into your presentations not only enhances understanding, but also serves as a visual complement to your spoken words. Always consider the simplicity, relevance, and visual appeal of the graphics you choose to ensure that they serve as an effective aid in conveying your information. Thank you for watching, and good luck with creating dynamic, impactful presentations using SmartArt and Google Slides.